I'm Natalie Carey, and I've been a certified personal trainer since 2011. I know exercise equipment can be very expensive, so if you're just starting out or if you're away from your gym equipment and you want to know how to do your favorite exercises, I'm going to show you a bunch of items that are just around your house that you can use instead. Go ahead and give this video a like and let's see what we can find. Instead of a yoga block, you can try stacking books, soda packs, or old VHS tapes and DVDs. Instead of a yoga strap, you can try an animal leash, a towel, or a tie. Instead of weights, you can try canned food, a backpack with non-fragile items inside, or water jugs. Instead of sliders or a TRX, you can try paper plates or dish towels. Instead of a medicine ball, try tossing a pillow around. Instead of battle ropes, grab 2 towels. I hope this video was helpful. If you have other household items that you've discovered are great equipment substitutes, please share them in the comments. And if this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel for more information like this. I'm Natalie Carey, and thank you for being excellent to yourself today.